gonna make Mommy's favorite, pumpkin scones. Let's get started. We're gonna add 2 cups of flour. You go so carefully. Now we're gonna add a 2.5 cup of brown sugar. You might have to scoop it with your hands. Here you go. Mix it up. Let's mix. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. What's looking good? 1 scoop of baking powder. Mix. Half a spoon of cloves. Half a spoon of ginger. You might have to tap it with a fork. That's how you make the recipe, friends. Let's mix it up. This is half a spoon of nutmeg. This is half a spoon of baking soda. This is a quarter.
It's okay. Just pour it in the bowl. There you go.
Half a cup of butter of tiny cubes. Mix it together and see close crumbles. Oh, I want to do the egg all by myself.
You do?
Yeah, because I'm big.
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah, I know how to do it. Yeah, I know how to do it. Next, we're gonna crack 1 egg.
Good job.
Pour your egg into the bowl. Making sure you screw it all up. Now we need 3 tablespoons of milk. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Let's mix it up. This is half a cup of pumpkin. Turn the other one 400. Now, friends, what are and dry ingredients and here. Clean off the counter very well so you can make your dough. Okay, now I'm done.
Okay.
Sprinkle little tiny flour on your counter. Put a little flour on your cake. Don't roll it out too thin.
Can I help you?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
I need 2 more here. I think we need some flour on these.
Okay.
So it will be beautiful. And then after we cook it, we can frost it. Careful. Can't make it. Chocolate. Swoop. That looks pretty. Let me see if I can press down a little bit so it'll look like cookie dough. I know. Careful, careful. Make it scones. Look at all pretty colors.
Wow.
We have learned so much today. So let's cook it and then we can frost it.
Okay.
And it will be so yummy.
Okay, let's do it.
Mama. Now when the scones cold, we're going to make the frosting. This is 1 cup of powdered sugar and a little bit of milk. Now we'll stir gently and carefully. in this little bowl, we're gonna add some cinnamon. Add a little pinch of cloves. Add a tiny pinch of nutmeg. Add a little sprinkle of ginger. We're gonna put this frosting in our squeeze bottle. Here's our scone. Now it's time to frost it. Carefully swirl it around there. Get it and put it on the same. Very careful. Take your frosting again and just some on top. Okay, let me try one. Let me try one. It's so good. Let me try one. So
What do you think?
what? Happy Scones! I hope you got my recipe. Bye, friends. Happy following, y'all.